Hi, welcome back to channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I'm going to see one of the interesting thing called how to generate or create file manager with the help of Tkinter. So here I'm going to show in the PyCharm where we have coding simple and easy. If you are a beginner intermediate stage of learning Python, the video will be useful for you. If you never like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. So this is the one where how you can do it. So if you create a file explorer, we have options like open a file and copy a file, followed by rename a file, delete a file, and also open a folder, delete a folder, particular folder, move a folder. At last, we have option called list all the files in the folder. So these are the general operations where we can do with the help of file manager, simple way. And here I'm going to suggest one or two options for avoid time consuming and understanding purpose. So let's go for the coding now. So here I'm writing the coding where I'm writing import tkinter file dialog as FT and I'm mentioning import tkinter message box as a MP. Then import OS, import shuttle, then definition open file. Then I'm giving the function called open file for open the file where choose a file of init. If we can from your system will connect and choose a file where you can connect a file. You can download you can view the file from your C:D: anything where, and I'm going to use the function called copy file. This is for copy a file one place. For example, in your D: your file called a.txt, you can copy and what you can say, copy a file. So suppose I in the D: I have a file called a.txt where I can copy the file to some other folder. For example, I have a folder called imp. In this folder, I can copy easily with the help of file dialog box. That is possible. And we have another option where we have a error handling coding also. And and here I'm going to use the delete file. This is for delete a given file with the file explorer option. Remember, I'm going to use the Tkinter. As of now, today Tkinter is one of the familiar one where you can generate graphical user interface and supports n number of application numbers where you can create a menu button and design anything like anything, label box, label, button, and so on and so on. So that's the reason we go for Tkinter and the delete file for deleting a file, then the rename a file. If you want to, for example, I have a file .a.txt, I can save as c.txt also, that is possible. For this reason, I'm using the term called rename and a new name I'm giving for enter rename. Then I'm going to call the function called open folder. This is for the old open here. Select a folder to open. For example, in your D: I have a folder called imp. You can go and select it. Then I can use delete a folder. If you delete, what will happen? What are the files in the particular folder to be deleted? And move folder, I had about move folder already. Then list files in folder. This is one of the useful thing where list all the files. Suppose in your IAP folder, if you have 5 files, the 5 files will be displayed here. Whatever the information in the file, maybe text file, maybe any other images, it display here. Then I'm going to use the option called list box where you have option of scrolling. That background I'm giving. If you want, you can change it at runtime. Then I'm using list box again and defining the variable. I'm giving file manager as a title and followed by the background as a yellow. Then button font I'm giving as Times New Roman, size is 13 and background as a setting. Then I'm writing the root tk initializing window with the help of the coding called root tk. Then title as a title and the sizes I'm mentioning as of a now idea. Then I'm going to create and place the components in the window. This is an important one where I'm going to give the help of label button again button. For everything you have button. Okay, open a folder just now shown the screen. So this is the one where we are generating, sorry, creating a file explorer. All the options will be here. So at last, I'm going to end the program with a coding called root.update root.main loop. So here, what is the thing you are going to do? Just we are going to use the tkinter where import packages. Then we can call the functions for open file, copy file, delete file. If you want, you can add some other options also. So this way, now I'm going to show you the demo how we can do. Just example, I'm going to open the file, open file. So if you open a file, it will be here. Yeah, it may shown or not. Anyhow, I'm showing in the D: I have file called C cities. suppose I have cities, it will open, it show the data, what are the information in that one to show here. This is a way, and another way I'm directly opening because there will be a reckoning issues there. Through the program you can open, or else you can go D colon and check it here. See here, already D colon, are here called as cities. So now what I'm going to means, I'm going to copy the file to another folder called IMP. So just how can I do means, I can use the option called copy file. You can take any file, for example, a file called cities. Okay. Then open. Then I'm going to call. Yeah, where in which folder asking? So I'm going to give in the IMP. So once you double click and give OK, select a folder and give, the file will be moved here. Yeah, it's saying in the message called successfully your desired file has been copied to your desired location. So display the information. There is an error here. So we are successfully doing the file explorer. Let's check here. So if we go and check in the D colon, yeah, in your D colon check D colon IMP particular folder. Yeah, D colon IMP. The cities file will be available here. Yeah, so successfully copied here the desired folder and location. This is how you can explore the file manager with the help of Tkinter with the help of Python. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.